Okie dokie. So to continue on from last video, oh here, I'll show you guys. No, I have like no gas, bro. Fuck. So as you can see, the grooves aren't that deep. Like, they look bad from the surface area, right? But when you literally look at like the grooves aren't as deep as isn't as deep as the tread. So the tread is a little bit way deeper than the I'm just worried about this one because it is cracking. So we gotta change that before the winter comes. Damn, we gotta go get some gas too. Fucking hell. So my bike, with a story about it, I'm probably just gonna take it to another local shop around me, get the tires replaced, brake pedal replaced. That's really all I need, because the other stuff is just cosmetic, so it ain't really that, I ain't really that stressed. I was more stressed because Coleman's kept it for so long. But hey, seems like I did not have the worst experience, because seems like people are getting pissed off from their bike stuff as well. This light's a little long. And then once I get her fixed with everything, I'm getting a new exhaust. I don't think this light is turning green. It might be fucked because they just changed the new roads here, so it might not have the sensor. Damn. What time is it? Oh shit, it's 8:10. I'm a little late for work. Yeah, the only thing uncomfortable about it right now is just the brake pedal, the rear one, because I have to like stick my foot up way higher to press on the brakes. It kind of, it's okay, but you know, I don't feel like taking the highway today. I'm gonna take inner roads today, but to be honest, I might be late if I do. I gotta go. I never loved you enough to trust you. We just met and I just fucked you. But I do know one thing though, bitches they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe it will someday grow. Till they. Y'all thought that was from Drake himself? Y'all, you better get yourself right. That is Eminem. You know you want me to. I'm here to rescue you. Damn it. Fucking pass the song, bro. Fuck this shit. Man, fucking trash ass gloves, bro. Yeah, I'm cutting you off right the second I get a chance. I'm late for work, man. Dude, I'm back to your bag.
Rip the other bag.
Bro, the tire is just, it's okay though.
Wait, what? Didn't